If you're thinking about using CommentSold for your dropshipping business, there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. While it's an effective platform, it's not for everyone, and understanding its strengths and limitations will help you make an informed choice. By the end of this video, you'll have a better sense of whether CommentSold is the right fit for you or if you should explore other options. First, let's talk about pricing. CommentSold offers a subscription-based pricing model, but their costs can get steep, especially as your business scales. The entry-level plan might seem affordable, but as you add more features and functionality, the price increases quickly. When comparing it to competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce, those platforms offer more flexibility in pricing based on the plan, with no surprise fees for essential features. Next, the platform has a steep learning curve. While it's packed with features, some users report that the interface is not as intuitive as others, like Shopify, which tends to have a more user-friendly experience. If you're just starting out, you might find it harder to set up and navigate CommentSold, especially if you have no technical background. The third thing to consider is how CommentSold integrates with social media. This feature is a standout, allowing you to sell directly through platforms like Facebook and Instagram. It's a huge advantage if your target audience spends a lot of time on these platforms. However, it doesn't integrate as seamlessly with other platforms like Amazon or eBay, which could limit your potential sales channels. Competitors like Shopify have a more extensive range of integrations, which can be a deal breaker if you want a wider reach. The fourth thing to note is the customer support. CommentSold offers customer support via email and live chat, but some users have reported slow response times, especially during peak hours. If you need fast troubleshooting, this could be a frustration. Compare that to Shopify, which offers 24/7 support and often faster response times, making it a stronger option if customer support is a priority for you. The fifth point is about inventory management. While CommentSold does offer basic inventory tracking and management features, it's not as advanced or as easy to use as other software. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce offer more robust and customizable inventory tools, which may be important if you're managing a larger product catalog or have complex inventory needs. Next, the platform offers limited customization options. This can be a disadvantage for people looking to design a truly unique storefront. CommentSold's templates are decent, but they lack the level of customization that platforms like Shopify offer. If having a fully branded site is important to you, you might feel restricted here. Another consideration is its automation features. CommentSold has some good automation options for sales, order processing, and marketing, but it's not as comprehensive as what you can find with Shopify's apps or tools like Klaviyo for email marketing. So, if automation is a critical part of your business model, it's worth evaluating what alternatives offer in comparison. The eighth thing is the checkout process. While CommentSold provides a streamlined checkout experience, it doesn't offer as many payment gateways as Shopify, which supports over 100 different options. This could be limiting if your customers are located in countries with payment methods not supported by CommentSold. The ninth point is how it handles marketing tools. CommentSold includes features for email marketing, discounts, and promotions, but it doesn't have the same depth of marketing integrations that platforms like Shopify offer. If you're looking to run sophisticated marketing campaigns, you might find it lacking in some areas. The 10th thing is the mobile app. CommentSold offers a mobile app for managing orders and inventory on the go, but it's not as polished or feature-rich as apps from Shopify or BigCommerce. While it gets the job done, it may not be as easy to use or as powerful as you'd like. The 11th thing is scalability. CommentSold can work well for small to mid-sized businesses, but it might not be the best option for larger enterprises. As your business grows, you may need more advanced features, and platforms like Shopify offer better scalability to meet those needs. Finally, while CommentSold is a solid option, its focus is really on selling through live streams and social media. If that's not your business model, you might want to consider alternatives that are more tailored to a traditional dropshipping approach. In conclusion, CommentSold is a great option for those who focus on social selling and live streams, but it's not as flexible or powerful as some of its competitors, especially